Hi there, welcome to Sellapy Brand Ambassador. In this video series, I will be teaching you how to use Sellapy. I'll be talking about how you can actually set your store up on Sellapy, how you can upload products, how you can start warming up your customer through our niche hub, and many more. But before I proceed, I would like to introduce you to what Sellapy is. So what is Sellapy? Sellapy is a niche brand marketplace that help entrepreneurs to start their own brand from scratch. It's a marketplace that help entrepreneurs to build their own niche brand without prior experience or with a little experience. Sellapy is a platform that gives entrepreneurs who want to change their story through brand building. Also, Sellapy is a marketplace that helps entrepreneurs like creators, like side hustlers, like people that want to escape from the 9 to 5 to build a brand of their own from scratch and give them the opportunity to sell locally and globally. So who exactly is Sellapy for? Sellapy is for niche brand owners, is for product creators, small businesses, wholesalers, as well as ambassador or aspiring ambassadors. Within the Sellapy community, who are Sellapy brand ambassadors? Ambassadors are entrepreneurs who want to help Sellapy build brands as well as building their own personal brands with the motive of making profit or making a shared profit. So what mindset does a typical ambassador should possess? I always say that if you have a mind that you can create or you can build something, you already possess the mindset of an ambassador. I mean, you already possess the mindset of Sellapy brand ambassador. So no matter where you are in your stages of entrepreneurship, if you are ready to join us, we will equip you with necessary tools, necessary experience that you need to turn ordinary products into a global brand. This is our promise to you within the Sellapy platform. So, what are you waiting for? If you think you have something special, if you think you want to make an impact, if you think you have a product that is crying very hard, deep parts in your mind, and you want to bring it alive, I will advise you and I will encourage you to put on your garment of motivation and join the Sellapy Ambassador program. We are here together. We promise you will surely strive. This is our promise to you. Welcome to Sellapy Brand Ambassador. Hope to see you soon. Contact us via our website www.sellapy.com, or if you want to send him an email to us, you can just email us at info@sellapy.com. I promise we will return your messages as soon as we can. No matter how busy we are, we promise we will respond to you swiftly. Hope to see you soon. My friend, don't give up. This is your opportunity. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.